Carrie Cutler here with Knox, author of Math Positive Mindsets, Growing a Child's Mind Without Losing Yours. And today, Knox and I are talking about the passage of time, which is a developmentally appropriate type of understanding about time for kids who are Knox's age. He's 5 years old. And we have this really cute book here called A Second is a Hiccup by Hazel Hutchins. And it starts with talking about how long a second is, but we're interested today in how long a minute is about passage of time. And on the page about a minute, it says, 60 seconds to a minute, 60 hiccups, 60 hops, or if you sing just one small song, chorus verses, not too long, that's just enough to fill a minute. So we're going to do an activity called Fill a Minute, and we have up here 1 minute, and then we have some different activities that Knox came up with. He's going to try to figure out how many jumps he can do in 1 minute, how many claps in 1 minute, and how many times he can walk to the door and back in 1 minute. Okay? I know. Run over there and get ready with your jumping. Okay? I'll tell you when to start. Ready? You count them. Get set, go.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
I hope you're having a fun time building math positive mindsets with your kids. Thanks.